Moving on to news from nutraceutical markets. The nutraceuticals market seem to be finally evolving in India. Consumers are increasingly becoming health conscious and are realizing the need for dietary supplements to help them cope with fast changing pace of life, which has put them at the risk of diabetes, cholesterol, heart ailments, arthritis and other diseases. The quality of life in terms of income, spending and lifestyle has improved with economic development. However, it has also thrown up a major challenge in the form of lifestyle diseases. The first victim of this lifestyle change has been food habits. Consumption of junk food has increased manifold, which has led to a number of diseases related to nutritional deficiencies. Nutraceuticals can play an important role in controlling them. And to discuss more about the nutraceutical industry, we are now joined by Dr. Sharad Kasarle, nutraceuticals expert in our studio. Dr. Sharad, welcome to Business News. First, explain us what are the nutraceuticals, because there is of course a tendency in getting confused with nutraceuticals, Ayurvedic formulations and herbal extracts.
Nutraceuticals are, by the word goes nutraceuticals. The natural standardized ingredients can be used in pharmaceuticals and various other applications, but they are natural standard additives and they promote health benefits. That is, like the ceutical word goes, they promote health benefits. So nutraceuticals are finding their way in lifestyle disorders management. Now there is a lot of difference between disease and disorder.
Correct.
Now disease can be cured by certain pharmaceuticals, but disorders can never be. Now, as you are rightly mentioned in your news that because of our faulty eating habits, junk food, lack of exercise, lifestyle disorders like obesity, diabetes, hypertension and diabetic complications like chronic heart failure and aging, more importantly aging. Now, if you see a common man who is about 25 years old, aging process starts at the age of 25 and not at 60. This is all happening because of our lifestyle changes.
Correct.
And for disorders management, nutraceuticals is the real solution. You know, in fact, they are being used by the medical professionals as well as the food experts in various formulations.
What are the natural advantages India possesses as far as the nutraceutical industry is concerned?
Nutraceutical industry is now expanding. This word is not well understood by the marketeers yet in India. Overseas, nutraceuticals is well defined. Like I have mentioned that all lifestyle disorders management and their treatments, in fact, like chronic heart failure, there are a lot of nutraceuticals being used by the surgeons.
Correct.
Even in the management of neurological disorders, like there are stroke, then you have Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease. There are a lot of nutraceuticals already established in this field. Now in India, as far as India is concerned, India is dominated by foods and pharmaceutical companies, and a lot of foods and pharmaceutical companies are now diversifying into the nutraceuticals.
Correct. The nutraceuticals have been, till now it was like a OTC drug, it was OTC drugs, but are there any chances that nutraceuticals can also be prescribed by the medical practitioners?
First of all, nutraceutical is not a drug. Nutraceuticals are meant for prevention and not for curing the disease. Preventive, so that you don't fall into the danger zone of the critical disorders or critical diseases. Nutraceuticals are widely used even in the formulations like antioxidants, multivitamins, minerals. Then there are certain critical amino acids which play a vital role in preventing or protecting your overall cardiovascular health as well as your neurological health, and also maintain your total overall fitness. So they find their applications, they find their role in formulations of food products. Like you can have nutraceuticals fortified with cookies, biscuits, juices and various other fruits and vegetable products, nutraceuticals fortified, so that people can enjoy the natural way. For example, the onset of diabetes, so you require sugar substitute, you cannot have sugar. At the same time, diabetes has cardiovascular health element, so you cannot have oils, fats and salt. So what consumers will ultimately consume? So here is the solution. There is no drug that you can prevent taking food.
As you have just mentioned about the consumer, as far as talking about the end consumer, do you think this nutraceutical is a cheap option available as far as the other pharmaceutical drugs and herbal formulations are concerned?
If you compare the cost of the pharmaceutical therapy, for example, when a person gets a cardiac arrest, look at the cost of medicines, cost of surgery.
Correct.
After surgery, his confidence level drops almost by 60%, and the maintenance thereafter, it is an expensive cost. So now more and more people are becoming health aware, health conscious. They would like to avoid getting into all these complications. So best way of nutraceuticals, but as I defined nutraceuticals, it is standardized natural ingredients.
Correct.
There are a lot of nutraceuticals available just by generic name, which have no medicinal benefits. Now here one has to clearly identify the standardized natural ingredients with optimization on health benefits, which is very important today.
Now, what are the steps taken by India to be a global leader in this segment? And there is a threat from the Chinese exports also. China is also exporting lots of nutraceuticals in the Indian market.
See, the threat of China is always there, but overall if you see the global market, Indian products are recognized as quality products compared to Chinese products. And also Indian products are standardized with respect to the active ingredients at the most, so that one can enjoy the health benefits.
Correct.
More and more clinical trials, like in pharmaceutical drugs, clinical trials are taking place in nutraceuticals to justify their role in the preventive medicine to the medical experts. At the same time, lot of medical experts are not aware on nutraceuticals, because this is something new field even for medical experts.
Correct.
So it is a role of the manufacturer or the nutraceutical industry or even the government to explain the benefits of nutraceuticals to consumers, wherein OTC is the main media. See, when you go to a doctor and he prescribes coenzyme Q10, for example, no consumer will understand what is coenzyme Q10, and doctor understand what is coenzyme Q10. So it is up to the inventor who brings out that product, explains the benefits of the product to the consumers as well as the medical experts.
Correct.
And this way how government can support. For example, trans fats. I would like to give the example, the major cause of cardiovascular failure is because of trans fats, which arise out of most of the fats which are solidified hydrogenated fats. Most of the bakery products like pastries, cookies, all these are saturated with trans fats. Now trans fats, they increase bad cholesterol, which is called LDL cholesterol. At the same time, they lower good cholesterol. So they cut trans fat cut in two ways. And most of the oils, fats, particularly fats, they are saturated with trans fats, and which is causing a major worry. And these arteries are even blocked. You can imagine when heart arteries can be blocked, what will happen to the brain arteries, which are just the microcapillaries, where you cannot see those microcapillaries. So even the blockage of that, and that leads to stroke and ultimately death.
The awareness level should be increased, and the effort should be taken for all.
Absolutely, and there has to be the cumulative effort, not only from the manufacturer, but also from the promoters.
Thanks, Dr. Sharad. Thanks for joining us on
Pleasure.
this.
Pleasure.
Thanks a lot. Well, moving on.